So the major diseases of maize in South Africa can be broken into three major areas. The one being the early season diseases, then the mid or in-season diseases, and then the late season diseases. In the early season diseases, that includes diseases that affect the seeds, seedlings, and roots, which often occur when seed is not treated. So these are the diseases mostly caused by fungi and fungi-like organisms. That includes fusariums, aspergillus, penicillium, pythiums, which are quite easily controlled by seed treatment, which is the reason why they are often overlooked. The in-season diseases are the most common diseases, mostly because everybody can see them. These are mostly caused by fungi, so they include northern cornleaf blight, common rust, grey leaf spot. Their severity depends on the area. Northern cornleaf blight and common rust occur in the whole country or wherever maize is grown. However, northern cornleaf blight tends to be more severe in the east because it requires cool conditions for infection to occur, while common rust, on the other hand, occurs in the rest of the country, and losses to common rust are quite minimal. However, when the northern cornleaf blight and common rust co-occur together, losses can reach up to 50%. Grey leaf spot occurs mostly in the Natal area, and the reason for that is grey leaf spot requires warm and humid conditions for the disease to infect and also to spread. Another in-season disease which also occurs in most parts of the country is a viral disease called maize streak virus. The viral disease is actually transmitted by a vector called leafhopper, Scadulina ambila. The leafhopper takes the disease from infected plants or weeds and infects maize when it feeds on maize. Once infection has occurred, there is no cure to the disease. However, control or management of the disease depends on controlling the vector. So different ways of controlling the vector, from seed treatment with an insecticide, as well as in-season application of insecticides. Late season diseases are your ear rots and stalk rot diseases. The ear rots of major importance in South Africa are Diplodia ear rot, which occurs in the whole country. Gibberella ear rot, which is confined to the eastern parts of the country, as well as Fusarium ear rot, which occurs in the whole country. Fusarium ear rot of late has been reducing, and the reason for that is the use of BT technology, as Fusarium usually infects the ears through wounds created by the stem borers. So through the use of BT, there is less insect damage, and there is also less infection by Fusarium ear rot. However, with the coming of fall armyworm in the country, this disease might increase in occurrence as well as severity. So with ear rot diseases, some of the ear rot pathogens also produce mycotoxins, and contamination of grain with mycotoxins makes grain unsafe for livestock and humans, which adds to the losses that these diseases cause on grain. Stalk rot diseases are diseases that infect the stalks and compromise the stalk quality or stalk integrity, leading to stalk lodging. These diseases are mostly okay in the whole country, but there are some that are confined in certain areas, such as charcoal rot caused by Macrophomina fasciolina, which mostly occurs in the drier parts of the country. That's mostly in the western sides of the country. Gibberella stalk rot again occurs mostly in the eastern parts of the country, while Fusarium stalk rot occurs in the whole country.